And then I think what most people are missing is if we see our DeFi portfolios like a business, which is our goal. That's everything we teach in the UIG. That's everything we try to communicate. You're running a business. And I think part two of that conversation is it's not either or. It's not, oh, do I go, yield farming or staking or producing yield or getting returns over here? Or do I build my bull run portfolio and look for like a 5x, 10x, 25x, depending how you're building your portfolio? Some of our clients and members are building like a 25 to 50x portfolio. They're kind of in mid and low cap stuff. Super cool. Osmosis presents a lot of opportunity for that as well, in my opinion, or the Cosmos ecosystem, I should say. But it's not either or. And I really hope people get that. It's not either or. We want to build a business which prints us cash, which brings us revenue, which brings us profit. And most business owners don't get rich by running a business. Ask any business owner you know. And it's like, yeah, it's not going to make you rich. A very small percent. I'm talking the Amazons and the Teslas, like very small percentage of businesses actually go public and just make the owner incredibly wealthy. Most business owners actually get, I'll say, wealthy by the exit, by the sale of their business. And so their business may cash flow them. They may make 50 grand, 100 grand, 250 grand, $400,000 a year from their business. And I know that sounds like a lot, but after all said and done, like that's not going to make you incredibly wealthy. It's when they sell that business at a 3x, 5x, 8x multiple, or depending what kind of business it is, of course, and how it's run. But that's where they get a nice big capital event. They get a chunk of change. And so when we're building our DeFi portfolio, and I really hope people get this, when we're building our DeFi portfolio, we've got our cash flowing businesses that we're building, the positions and pools we're in over here. Those print us the cash. And what we do with that becomes incredibly important. It's going to separate the people who make a little bit from the people who make a lot, because what we're doing with those profits, we're taking it from our DeFi portfolio or DeFi earnings, and we're moving them into our bull run bag. And we're selecting assets that have a big opportunity for really juicy price appreciation come this cycle. And now you're getting the best of both worlds. And just like a business owner, they should be thinking, if there's business owners watching, you should be thinking, I want to position this business to potentially sell in the future. And now you're earning cash flow and you're also building an asset that you could sell in the future. It's the same exact thing we're doing in crypto and DeFi. The exact same thing. It's no different. I really hope people get this, because this is going to separate those who maybe make a little bit of profit from those who walk away from this next cycle with a good brand new problem. And I've faced this problem before, is what do I do with all this money?